outright performance is the headline act, and the S4 Avant for sale today is predictably faster than its predecessor. Thanks to a mighty 349 bhp turbocharged V6 under its bonnet, aided and abetted by an 8-speed auto and the aforementioned Quattro system, the fast Audi can sprint to 62 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds. A meaty 500 Nm of torque is delivered across a wide rev range from just 3,750 revolutions per minute, which also helps the S4 to deliver the sort of crushing drivability that isn't far off what you'd expect from an RS model. It's significantly cheaper than any future RS version will be, too, and although still an expensive car, there isn't much that can match its breadth of capability of the money. The engine is responsive low-down, although there is a little bit of turbo lag to contend with at low revs. It gives way smartly to the sort of linear thrust that makes the Quattro system earn its keep, as the extraordinary traction makes sure you don't spin away those valuable horses. The latest generation system can send as much as 85% of the engine's power to the rear wheels too, but in spite of its impressive ability, it doesn't help the S4 Avant feel as nimble as a BMW 3 Series while cornering.